Get out of sight. Stay until dark, and then we'll sneak out of here. Charles, you keep watch for now.
Sure.
Well, we, get some rest. All right. Let's try and get out of here. Hey, shit! Absolutely. Well, shut up, old man.
Look, I was just trying to...
Shut up. There's a light over by the house.
Damn! All right, now let's just keep this calm. See what happens.
Is this your place? Kinda. And you didn't hear nothing? Why don't you just tell me, partner, what you heard? Go ahead. Tell me what you heard. I don't... Maybe I heard some noises out by the barn a while ago. Ain't me.
Better not be.
All right. Coop forth. Lo, go check out the barn. Sir.
Well, the place looks deserted enough.
Sure. You head inside, I'll go round the back.
God damn it, Arthur! What was that? Let's fly at 'em, boys!
Behind you, Charles!
More to the right here!
Where the hell? Looks like Cornwall's gone enough this...
We got more of the bastards on this side!
They were seconds from finding us anyway.
Son of a whore! Like this
How about we stop robbing Cornwall for a while?
I didn't know we was robbing Cornwall, all right? There's a goddamn horde of them on the left here! God damn it, they're coming in this way now!
Watch out!
This fella really don't like getting robbed!
Let's just hope we don't run out of bullets.
Hold them! Do not let them close in on us!
You should have been smart.
Hurry, Phil! We ain't going out like this! No goddamn way!
Why? You got another surefire plan for us, Uncle?
Shit! Fire!
Watch it, Charles.
Everyone still breathing? I